In this video I'll be showing you how I made this trendy Ankara Bubu dress with Aso Oke collar. As you can see, it's mid-length, yours can be longer or shorter. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is the Movies Creations. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, and if you are new, you're welcome to this channel. So I'll be using 2 yards of Ankara fabrics, exactly 2 yards, and the entire length and width. So it's folded into 4, as you can see. It's on fold. I'll be measuring the entire length. The entire width is 17 inches, as you can see, and I'm measuring the neck width and depth. For the back, I'll be using 1 inch for the back length, and then 3 inches for the front length, and then I come down by 3 inches for the opening. I want it to have opening at the front. Then I will be coming in by half of an inch from that 3 inches just to open the slit. Then for the sleeve wideness, I use 12 inches. Then I go down by 8 inches for the pockets. I want it to have cut together pockets. Then I go down a little. I measure the entire length of the pocket. Then to measure the width of my bubu dress now, I will put it on fold. Put the tape on fold. Then I measure my hip width. Then I added allowance. It depends on how wide you want it to be. Mine is 14 inches on fold, so if I open it, it will be the circumference will be is 28 inches when I open it. Then the entire circumference will be about 52 or thereabout, or 56. So I come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, and then I cut out the back width and length, and then I cut out the shoulder slope. Then I went ahead to cut the excess at the hem part, then to the shoulder, to where the sleeve is, the sleeve length is. So I've cut it out. Then I remove the back piece from the front piece so I can cut out the front neck width and depth. Then I went ahead to fold my Aso Oke into 2. I'll be joining the I want to cut the length I want. Then I will join 2 pieces together. So the length I want is 14 inches, just 14 inches. So I'll cut, then I will join the 2 pieces together with machine. After joining it together, I'll come back again. So I've joined the 2 pieces together, as you can see. Then I want to cut out the neck depth and then the opening at the front. Then I come at the down part. I came up by 2 inches just to give it a shape. Don't want it to go up too much, so I remove 2 inches from the down part. Then this is me cutting out the neck width and the depth just to shape the neck area, as you can see me do. I'm cutting it out now. Then I will shape the neck area too. That is what I am doing there. So when I open it, this is what I'll be having, and this is what you should have too. Then it is this Aso Oke that I will use. You can decide to turn the neck, or you leave it. Since it will have collar, you just go and use the top stitch using the machine. Then I join the back and the front piece together. After that, I will be measuring the entire neck width to know the measurement of my collar, and what I came up with is 15 inches. Then I went to the sleeve area so that I can cut the Aso Oke out. I don't want to use an entire piece for the sleeve area. I will be cutting the piece into 2. That is, I'll be dividing the width into 2. The wideness, I don't want it to be too wide, so I will have like roughly 3 inches plus 3 inches and quarter plus. Then I'll be joining it to the sleeve area. That is what I am doing there. I want to cut into it into 2 so I can attach it to each of the sleeves, and that is what I have done there, exactly like that. Then I want to cut out the collar now. So before I do that, I will join the Aso Oke to the sleeve area. Don't want the Aso Oke there to be too wide. That's why I cut the piece into 2 for the 2 sleeves. So this is me cutting out the collar. Remember that the wideness of my collar is 15 inches. Then I added half to it to make it 8 inches on fold. That will be 16. So the half will be for joining together. Then I'm cutting it out. I want to cut the collar stand again. This is for the collar itself, and I want to cut out the collar stand now. You can call it base too. So for the base, I'll be cutting 8 inches too on fold. Remember that the wideness of the collar is 15 inches plus half for joining. That's 8 inches. So this entire length of the Aso Oke piece is too wide for my collar stand, so I need just like 2 inches on fold. Then I'll cut it into 2. That will give me 4 inches if you open it, then on fold to be 2 inches. That is what I'm cutting out. After cutting it out, then I'll be shaping it. I just want to shape it a little to have a little curve at the down part, and then where the collar itself will be standing. That is what I am doing. I'll just come up by half of an inch for it to give me a curve. Then in the middle I'll go down by half, and that is what I have done, just for the shape to come out well. That is me trimming the remaining fabric out to shape my collar stand. You can say base of the collar too, anyone that you choose. And that is me shaping the collar stand before I proceed now to shape the collar itself. And that is what we have. When you open it, you'll be cutting 2 pieces because you use one piece to turn it. So this is the collar itself. I'll be removing like 1 inch, half of an inch from the mid part. Then when you come to the where the point of the collar is, you come in by half of an inch as well. That is what I'm doing there. So it's just to give it shape, a good shape, and that is what I'm doing. I'm shaping it. You can decide to, this is Aso Oke, and that is why I'm shaping it the way I'm shaping it. So I remove like 1 inch too, so that it will the collar stand will be a little longer, like 1 inch longer than the collar itself. And I'm almost done shaping it. Then after doing that, I will take it to the sewing machine to join together before I fix it to the entire dress. And that is how it's looking. When you flip it open, this is what you have. That's the collar itself, and that's the collar stand. That's how you are going to place it. Then from joining, start from the edge. Then after that, you attach it to the entire dress, and this is what we have. This is how Ankara dress is looking. As you can see, it's very beautiful, comfy. Anybody can wear it. You make yours according to your size and how big and comfy you want it to look, and then how long you want it. And this is our Ankara dress. It's very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. And then if you are a returning subscriber, thank you too. Kindly like, share and comment. Thank you guys. See you again in my next video. Bye.